Welcome to the HSS Hire Startup Guide for the 230mm angle grinder. This powerful tool is ideal for grinding, cutting masonry or metal, and raking out mortar joints. Safety is important to us. We recommend using ear and eye protection, gloves, and a charcoal filter respiratory mask when using the grinder. We also recommend using an RCD to protect against electric shocks. For more detailed safety information, please check our operation and safety guide that comes attached to the grinder. Before fitting a disc, make sure that the grinder is switched off and unplugged from the wall. Press the spindle lock button to stop the back flange from rotating. Remove the lock nut using the included pin spanner if needed. Once removed, check that both of the flanges are in good condition. Fit your disc on the back plate and then screw on the front flange to secure the disc in place. Use the pin spanner to tighten. Please take care not to over tighten and make sure the disc can spin freely. When plugged in, the grinder is controlled by the trigger at the rear of the tool. For more information on correct use, please refer to the operation and safety guide included with the equipment. And that's it. Please feel free to check out our other products and videos online. If you need any help, our support team are ready to chat to you. Just click the Chat to Us Now button in the bottom right-hand corner of the HSS website. Finally, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Have a good day.